Buongiorno, veg heads. Today's recipes are all made with the nightshades. As in sweet peppers, potatoes, and of course, pomodoro. Put them all together, and what do you got? Picadillo, a Latin American flavor bomb. Veg head style, without any meat. So, picadillo. Think of potato hash with some caliente Shakira-style hip shaking. These veg head hips don't lie. Bend over, know you're giving me fever. Girl, come and wind up your waist like Shakira, Shakira. Some peppers are sweet, some peppers are spicy. Chili powder, right down the middle. Canned tomatoes. They're usually picked during the ripe season. It's the sour and the sweet. No kidneys were harmed in the making of this recipe. Ever heard of a dirty martini? Dirty Picadillo. Bonus nightshade alert. Goji berries, also known as wolfberries. Native to China, use them like raisins, packed with antioxidants. Hash, I gotta do one more thing.
Don't think twice, take my advice, sing oopie-doopie-doo. When you're singing oopie-doo, everybody smiles at you. Just sing this happy song and everyone will sing along. So let me entertain you, it will stop you feeling blue. With your consent, then I'll amend you.